What's up, YouTube fans? Swag Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another sneaker unboxing. And today, this is a early release. These shoes don't release until December 8th, but as y'all can see from the title, today we will be talking about the 2018 Air Jordan 11 Concords. Overall, same model 11, you know it, but it's little bits and pieces that are new. Of course, you have that 45 on the back. It really doesn't matter because I don't really look at the back of the shoe, so the 45 doesn't matter. It's just having the Concord itself. I didn't have the privilege of getting these when that Concord madness was going on. You know, I didn't have the money then. It's nice to have them. Real nostalgic feel. On the inside you have the Nike Air, and it's not really much to talk about. They just tried to retro it the best they could. I'm very pleased with the shoe. The patent leather is nice, probably a lot nicer than some of the 11s that I have now. Not much to talk about, you guys. You know about the Concords or whatever, so it's not much to talk about. Just give y'all some B-roll. That's pretty much all that I have. I got these early. If you planning on copping, put in those raffles or get online or whatever, you try to get these. But nice pickup. I'm glad I was able to cop them. I copped them off of the sneakers app that dropped them early. So yeah, that's it. Let's go ahead and get to them. Swag Kicks, peace.